Hi, today's networking tip is giving is a virtue up to a point. Hi, my name is Minesh Bakshi and I'm the co-author of the book Network Your Way to $100,000 and Beyond with Chuck Gifford, President of Local Business Network. Today's networking tip is very simple. You want to give without expectation at first, but in the long run you should be expecting some reciprocity. I know some people might think networking, giving referrals is an altruistic activity. Well, it is to a certain point. At some point you need to start evaluating and saying, is my effort worth it? See, there are two types of people, givers and takers. The majority of the people I think are givers. If you give them something, they are bound to want to give you something in return. But there are a group of people who would actually be willing to take and take and take. They just seem to not have an understanding of giving in return. Now, they might have the right phrases, be a giver, giver's gain, and all that kind of stuff, but the reality is at some point you have to start evaluating. The first thing you want to do is give freely. That is important. Why? It is the right thing to do. You want to be able to introduce people who might be able to do business together. Now, sometimes you may know the person, sometimes you may not know that person very well. Either way, you can introduce them. In cases you already know, it's very simple. You can simply say to Joe, "Hi Joe, I know Mary who does this, which might be of help to you, and I would like to introduce you both." Excellent idea. The other part is there might be times when you don't know the person that well. Maybe you're at a networking event, you introduce yourself, you find something of value to somebody, and then later on you meet somebody who can provide some service to the other person. Now you can introduce them and say, "Hey, you know what, Joe, I don't know Mary very well, but it looks like based on what you said, Mary might be able to help you. Why don't you get together and see if there is something in common for you both to work together?" No harm in that area, because after all, you up front mentioned that you may not know the individual very well. Either way, I think it's an easy thing to do. You should be looking at that. The thing which is important here is in the long run, you should expect some reciprocity. Chuck gives an example of a sales trainer who did a training and said, "Hey, you know what, give me some referrals and I'll give you some referrals and we'll have a great relationship." Chuck, being the generous person that he is, he immediately gave 2 referrals to this individual. A couple of months later, the sales trainer calls back Chuck and saying, "Hey, you know what, it was great, those referrals turned out fantastic, do you have more referrals for me?" At that time, Chuck was like, "I don't think I got any referrals from you in this relationship." So you have to be careful. You have to say, "You know what, I have given enough things now, let me find out if I'm getting things in return as well." So those are the things which I think are important for you to remember, is like, okay, be a giver, but at some point you have to start expecting something in return. This is part of the 52 networking tips that you can have at www.networkingseries.com.